Hey, if your Discord backup codes aren't working and you can't log in, that can be super stressful. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Discord backup codes not working in 2026. Let's get you back into your account. First, double check how you're entering the code. Backup codes are case sensitive and should be entered without spaces or extra characters. Make sure you type it exactly as shown. Each backup code can only be used once. If you've already used a code, it won't work again. Check your list and make sure you're using a fresh, unused code. If your codes are all used or lost, you can generate new ones. Log in. Using your Authenticator app, go to User Settings, arrow My Account arrow, enable two-factor authentication arrow, view backup codes arrow, generate new codes. Sometimes 2FA issues happen because your device's time is off. Backup codes may fail if the system time isn't accurate. Set your phone or computer to automatic date and time. VPNs or proxies can occasionally interfere with 2FA login, even with backup codes. Try turning them off temporarily and enter a backup code again. If none of your backup codes work, contact Discord support. Explain the situation and provide account details. They can help you regain access safely and reset 2FA if needed. As a tip, once you regain access, save your backup codes somewhere secure, like a password manager or offline storage. This prevents future issues with lost or used codes. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve your Discord backup codes not working issue and get you back into your account. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.